Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, October 29, 2023. It is 9:39 and 14 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, T-cell discovery. So let's jump to it here. A breakthrough T-cell discovery has huge potential for engineering custom immune responses. Date October 25th. 2023. Source: Institute for Systems Biology. In a breakthrough discovery that changes how we understand T cells and with implications of how we can better engineer custom immune responses to fight disease, researchers showed that the different disease-fighting functions of different T cells are determined by the genetically encoded T cell receptor sequence that are unique to those cells. A receptor sequence is a major determinant, not signaling proteins such as cytokines or other blood components. It is that receptor sequence, the proteins on the T cell that bind to foreign antigens, that determines what the cell's phenotype is, and thus determines what its function is going to be. In a human clinical study involving 68 patients, the team explored around 700 T cells that specifically interacted with antigens from either SARS, CoV-2, influenza, or cytomegalovirus. The potential of this fundamental discovery is promising for developing custom immune responses to specific antigens. As T-cell receptor engineered T-cell cancer immunotherapies are an emerging treatment for solid tumors. In such therapies, the T-cells that compromise the drug are typically engineered to aggressively kill cancer cells. They know that a successful immune response requires a balance of T-cell phenotypes, some of which kill tumor cells, with others which can form memory to do other functions. They show that there is basically a card catalog available if you want to engineer a balanced immune response. You go to that card catalog, you find the particular T-cell receptor genes that, when engineered to build the cell therapy, can provide that balanced response. A different card catalog is required for different antigens. However, many antigens are immunogenic, meaning that for different patients afflicted with the same disease, their T cells will often target the same antigen. This is important because it means that what they learn for one patient is likely going to be applicable for another. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.